Alright guys, so I managed to get the trailer all painted up, and it turned out really good. I don't have the new tires on it yet. I just got the old ones on it for now. And the wheel wells are still out in the shop. Just brought it down here to put everything together and back on it. I didn't have like anything really to set this on, so I just kind of left it on the trailer. So I'm gonna have to get a rattle can and touch up that. And I think everywhere else is pretty good, but if I need to touch up anywhere else I can. So there's that. And then I got my new little jack thing for the front, and I got my new wheels for it, and I actually don't have the winch yet. Still waiting on that. And then I can just put the rollers on it. I could put the lights back on it. Well, actually, I don't have the wheel wells on it yet, but I could get the wheel wells done and put on it if I want the lights on it. And I got an extension harness so I could see if the lights work. Otherwise, I might have to rewire it. I'm not sure yet, but I'm just gonna get her put back together, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I got everything put back on the trailer except for the new tires, the wheel wells, and the tail lights. And there's no safety chains on the front, not yet at least. I wanted to try and extend the safety chains, but I got these rollers on there, and the middle roller, and all this on up front. Oh, I don't have the jack on yet. That's what I'm missing. But I don't have my new winch yet. And I guess I kind of forgot to kind of look at it and stuff. Otherwise I would have done it. But this is going to be black. I got the new winch coming, like I said. Might paint the bracket of the new winch black. Actually, probably just keep it silver, maybe, just to match that and stuff. But yes, paint this black. Might paint this chain and stuff black, or maybe just the bracket at least. I'm not sure yet about that. I'm gonna paint these rollers black, and all back here, the brackets and this all black. And then it should be looking really nice, because I went to put this on and I was like, oh, wait a second. And it's like, oh, well, it won't be that hard to change out. Once I'm up here, if I have the winch tight enough and I can just jack up the back of the boat, I can get all 6 of these rollers off. That's how I did it the first time. I was just able to jack up the back of the boat, have the winch hold it tight enough up against that. And yeah, so that's not too bad. And then just to get this bracket off, I'll probably just have to do that a separate time. But this stuff's so small, I could just spray paint it with the rattle can and have it be good. And yeah, so now it's time to get the boat on the trailer and bring it out to the shop where there's a bigger air compressor, because that one's not going to cut it for sanding. And that one just runs nonstop when I'm trying to use the DA sander on it. But as you guys can see, I got this whole side except for the bottom right here. So I'm going to start working on that now, and hopefully get it all done today. That would be awesome. So I'm gonna get started on it. Probably gonna bring it out to get washed. I really wish I had someone to help me so I could kind of tip it on the side or something and wash out. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So time to get the boat back on the trailer. All right, guys. So I got the boat on the trailer, and over the weekend I was getting it sanded down and all prepped. So I got almost all the sides done. This is all done. I did this part. I went over the bottom quick, and then I did this, but once it gets to the bottom, I can't really get that. And up there. And then like this part, this lip, and then like in here, and then this top rail. You know, all the stuff I got to hand sand, but I did get this, and then I tried getting this. I don't know. So I actually realized that that stuff, that's paint, but you could tell that obviously this was a water line. So waterline paint. So I don't know. It's kind of like some kind of rough, gritty, almost like a bed liner, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna try and scuff it up the best I can, and then just paint over it. But you know, as you can see, most of it's already worn off. But so I got the sides all sanded. I got the seats all sanded. So really, what it is, it's the bottom of the boat. All these little ledges and corners or curves. That's what they are. They're curves. And then the bottom, I gotta do all that stuff, and then the brackets. All that by pretty much hand sanding. I got it all washed out and cleaned out though, so I can do the bottom. And then I gotta do back here too. But the whole back, I went over with the sander. It's all right. So, and then this. So, definitely a start, but definitely not close to being finished. So got this done too, but you know, definitely still quite a bit left, but it will be done in by this coming weekend, I'm hoping. As long as, I mean, I should be able to get a good bit done tonight probably. I'll try and get some done, and then I don't know, it'd be sick if I could have it all done during the weekend, or however you want to say that. By next week, I should say. Definitely want to get this thing wrapped up. I got a few more things for it. I got a cover, and I got my vinyl for the seat, which I gotta do. And yeah, the garage is still a mess. That's why I gotta try and finish up my projects real quick here. And the trailer is looking really good. I just gotta wait on my winch still, and I gotta paint the brackets and touch up and get my wheel wells on. So definitely still a few things to do, but it's definitely getting there. And then I can start working on the four-wheeler plastics, because that's pretty much all that's left. Well, this one needs a head gasket, but it's still the tow rig. It'll still do the job, but definitely want to get that fixed. So here we go.